This is what's on the chopping block for today. I got a 65 Mustang GT 350. I'm gonna redo it because my buddy put this one together and painted a bunch of fucking ugly colors. You can tell, fucking orange hood. I just got a hood scoop being dried onto it right now. There's a frame, rims and shit, bumper cover. That's what I'm gonna do for a power plant. It's for a 98 Cobra. And so that's what's on the old chopping block. You guys can tell me what kind of cars these are. I don't know if you can see that good enough, but everybody should know what kind of car that is. Alright, thanks for watching.